Guys, I'm going to show you a quick video on how I make my clip-in extensions using bow hole lace tape. I actually went in and I straightened my daughter's hair and we got it nice and silky, and she thinks she's so cute. She thinks she's cute. Yes, she is. And then I went in and separately, I went and straightened the extensions. I'm going to take my bow hole lace wig tape and I'm going to cut it first. If you notice, there's a slit in the middle. I want to cut the sides off because what's going to be left, I'm going to take that and fold it over the actual wefts. Okay, I'm taking my glue gun. I just feel like this way gets it flatter. And I'm going to actually do this on both sides. And I'm going to cut that weft off. You don't have to do this. I'm going to show you a clip at the end of this video on just doing it with just the wefts. Now, the piece that I cut that had the slit, I was able to fold that over really, really easy, if you notice here. And I'm just going to do that all the way down to the end. This weft, I had it short. I feel like it's easier to work with the clip-in extensions if you don't have it too long. Now we're going to go ahead and apply it. I'm going to take the tabs off the back side of it, and then I'm going to place it to her head. And then I'll remove the tabs off the top. Now, I'm going to take some hair from the bottom portion of her real hair. And I'm just going to tightly press that down. And then I'll remove the tabs off the top. And I'll pull hair down from the top of her real hair. And I'll mash it down really, really tight, making sure that it's holding. Look at that. It looks good. She looks amazing. It looks so natural. I love using raw hair for clip ends or even for tape extensions. Look at her. She's so cute. Look at her. All right, so we was able to do like a low ponytail because we did put a lot of tracks in. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. It's the same process. I left the wefts on there. If you just want to like really quickly make some, you can. I just felt like the other way is flatter, but try both ways and see which one works best for you.